My new Brondell bidet seat is filling up for the very first time. I'm kind of excited. And how is it? It says it's ready to go. I think I want to test it without actually having my bottom on it the first time or two so I can see it work. And I'm not sure if it needs somebody sitting on it. I'm gonna have to read the directions now, aren't I? See all these cool settings. I bought this toilet seat because I used one of these at a gas station. I think it was in Indiana or somewhere. And it was pretty impressive. Just made me feel kind of special, you know. Get the front wash and the rear wash and the heated water and the dryer. I didn't try the massager yet, but yeah, it says massage. Anyway, everything you could want in a toilet seat, I think, including the blue light, right? Of course, I guess I gotta play with it some more and see if it actually works or if I missed any steps. Seems to be following the steps directions. I'm guessing that maybe I have to sit on it to get it to work proper. We'll see. I've got the hookup back there, nothing leaking. I had to buy a brand new toilet because I couldn't get the old seat off my toilet. It was so old. But I bought myself a energy efficient double flushing toilet. Got that installed properly. Works alright. See, my back tank is just a little bit more wobbly than I wish. But the mysteries of toilets are a little bit less mysterious to me today. So I guess if I put this somewhere on the internet, I'll probably put a link to this Brondell bidet seat and I'll let you know how it works out in the future. Ciao for now.